Hello, today we're going to be looking at how to tell the time, focusing on half past and o'clock. Let's start with o'clock. Question: how many minutes are there in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. This is why the face of an analog clock usually has 60 notches on it, each notch representing 1 minute. We also have numbers on there too, which we'll look at in the next video. Every clock has two pointers known as hands to help us tell the time. We have a small hand, which tells us the hour, and we have a big hand, which tells us the minutes. Let's look at where these hands go when we need to tell the time. Looking at the clock, we can see that the small hand, the hour hand, is on 3, and the big red hand, the minute hand, is on 12. Whenever the minute hand is on number 12, we say o'clock. So the time is 3 o'clock. In this example, we can see the hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. Whenever the minute hand is on number 12, we say o'clock. So the time is 5 o'clock. Now you have a go. Try and work out these 3 times. Well done. For A, the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 12, so we have 2 o'clock. For B, the hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12, so we have 7 o'clock. And for C, the hour hand is on 12 and the minute hand is also on 12, so we have 12 o'clock. Let's now look at how to read half past. We know that the clock face shows us a full circle with 60 notches showing us our 60 minutes in 1 hour. This circle is made up of 2 halves. If there is 60 minutes in 1 hour, how many minutes do you think there is in half an hour? The answer is 30 minutes. There are 30 minutes in half an hour. Earlier, we looked at whenever the minute hand is on number 12, we say o'clock. On this clock, we can see the small hand is halfway past the 3, and the minute hand is pointing at number 6. Whenever the minute hand is on number 6, we say half past. So it's 3:30. In this example, we can see that the hour hand is halfway past 8, and the minute hand is on 6. Whenever the minute hand is on number 6, we say half past. So the time is 8:30. Now you have a go and try and work out these 3 times. Well done. For A, we can see that the hour hand is halfway past the 2 and the minute hand is on 6, so the time is 2:30. For B, we can see that the hour hand is halfway past 9 and the minute hand is on 6, so the time is 9:30. For C, we can see that the hour hand is halfway past 6 and the minute hand is also on 6, so the time is 6:30. Well done. If you'd like to practice some more, then click on the link in the description below or scan this QR code for some free worksheets and have a go yourself.